Hello, how are you? My name is Laura. And this video is I will practice the simple past verb to be with its for function. A virtual roulette is used and which the function are written later with the select function. An example will be given. Ready? Let's go. I will spin the roulette now. The function number 1 is total time. My example is the movie was at 8 o'clock. Spin the roulette. The function is location. My example is he was in the bathroom. A spinner roulette. Function describe. My example is he was young. Spin the roulette. The function is total time. My example is it was 5 o'clock. Spin the roulette. Again, function is total time. My example is ticket sales were yesterday at 6 p.m. Spin roulette. Okay. And again, the speed a roulette. Function location. My example is you were in the supermarket. Well, for my part it is all. I hope my examples are understood since I am in the process of learning. Thank you so much.